Good morning, class. In today's English class, we will be continuing with the book exercises, and today we will be covering exercise 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, children, let's start with exercise 5. Make these sentences interrogative. Now, you already know that interrogative sentences are the sentences that ends with the question mark, and they are also known as questions, right? So, to do this exercise, you should know that if the sentence is in simple past tense, then to frame interrogative sentence, you have to use did. And did will be followed by the subject and then the first form of the verb. And then if there is any object, it will be written there. And at the last, you will put question mark. So if we start with the first sentence, she found the answers of all the questions. So what is the verb in the sentence? Found. You have to change it into the first form. First form or the root form of the verb found is find. So now let's frame out the sentence. Did she find the answers of all the questions? Question mark. You thought over the matter. Now what is the verb? Thought. Change it into the first form, root form of the verb. Think. So did you think over the matter? Question mark. They decided to continue the coaching classes. What is the verb? Decided. So the root form of decided will be decide. So did they decide to continue the coaching classes? Question mark. The thief stole all the ornaments from our shop. What is the verb? Stole. Stole. Change it into the first form, steal. The thief steal all the ornaments. So when you will framing it interrogative, it will be did the thief steal all the ornaments from a shop? I heard a sweet song on the radio. What is the verb? Heard. The root form of heard is hear. So did I hear a sweet song on the radio? And it will have a question mark at the end. He teased the dog. Teased is the verb. Change it into the root form. Tease. Did he tease the dog? Question mark. The dog bit him. What is the verb? Bit. Change it into the root form. Bite. Did the dog bite him? Question mark. The villagers planted many trees on the roadside. What is the verb? Planted. Change it into the root form. Plant. So did the villagers plant many trees on the roadside? Question mark. So every time when you are using did, you have to change the verb to the first form and frame the question. And after framing the questions, you have to write here in the space that are given below and end all the questions with the question mark. Now coming to exercise 6. Fill in the blanks with past form of the given verbs. Now same verbs are given in the bracket and you have to change it into the past form. She dash a strange man on her way to the school. Meet. Write the second form over here. Met. M-E-T. Dash he you. Disturb. Did he disturb you? No, he didn't talk to me. Now not talk is given, so you will writing didn't. You have to frame the negative sentence. So no, he didn't talk to me, but he kept on following me. Keep ka second form, kept. They spend, change it into the past form, spent weekends with their family. We not invite. So not invite means you have to frame the negative sentence. So we didn't invite guests to the party. Did you finish your task on time? Now it is ending with a question mark. So interrogative है. So interrogative में क्या होगा? Sentence will start with did and it will have the first form of the verb. So did you finish your task on time? She broke the vase, but she didn't confess her fault, because it's a negative sentence, not confess. So didn't confess her fault. Now 8th is a question. So start with did. Did he post the letters? He scattered his things all over the floor. His mother scolded him when she saw his room. So see will be changed to the past form saw. The driver met with an accident. Meet का past form of the verb क्या होगा? Met, M-E-T. So the driver met with an accident, right? So wherever there is question mark, you will start with did because it's a interrogative sentence. And wherever there is not written in the bracket, that means it's a negative sentence. So you'll write didn't with the first form of the verb. Coming to the 7th one, form a verb chain and then write their past form in the space provided. Now see the first one, come. What is the last letter of come? E. So it is written eat. Last letter is T. So you have written another verb, tell. Last letter is L. So live. Again the last letter is E. So earn. So this way you have framed the chain. Now here below this you have to write the second form of all these verbs that we have written above. जो भी verb आपने ऊपर लिखे हैं उनका अब second form, past form of the verb नीचे लिखना है. जैसे come, ate, tell का क्या होगा? Told, live, lived, earn, earned. Same way if we do the second one, bring, letter is G, last letter, so grow. W, write, last letter is E. Eat, last letter is T. So here it can be what? Tell. So last letter is L, but there is the last letter will be tell only. Now change it into here. So here you will write brought, then grow, change will be grew. Write का यहाँ wrote हो जाएगा. Then eat, ate, tell, told. So children, just try not to repeat the words that are already written that you have used once, but it's not a compulsion. If nothing is striking you, you can use them again. Then hear, read. So next here you have to write the letter with D, like dance. Then you have to write another word with E. Then whatever is the last letter, you will be writing word here. So same way the chain will follow. So after writing, completing the chain here, you have to write the past tense of those words. Clear? Now 8th one, this you have to do it on your own. Describe how you felt when your friend won some contest. Now when your friend won some contest, you have to use simple past tense only. Now this event had already occurred and it's finished now. Your friend had won, वो जीत गई है. Now you have to describe your feelings. So you can start with like there was a contest, my friend participated in that. Participated is past tense. Then what was the event? You can describe that and how you felt. Like I felt very happy, I was very excited, I went to see the contest. My friend was nervous in the starting, but later she did well. So whatever is your feeling, you can write here in short. and remember to use the past tense only. So these are the exercises and you have to do it in your literature, in your grammar books only. Thank you.